Welcome back to Kamal Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will solve some problems based on straight lines. So let us start first with the last question. Here the vertices of a quadrilateral are given. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. Now we show that the midpoints of each side of the quadrilateral form a parallelogram. So let E, F, G and H are the midpoints of each side. Now join. Now coordinates of A are -4 and 2, B are 2, 6, and C are 8, 5. And D are 9, -7. So using section formula, coordinates of E will be x1 plus x2 by 2, that is -4 plus 2 divided by 2 and y will be 2 plus 6 divided by 2. This is equal to -1 and 4. So coordinate of E will be -1 and 4. And coordinates of F will be 2 plus 8/2 and 6 plus 5/2 is equal to 5 and 11/2. So coordinates of F will be 5 and 11/2. Coordinates of G point G will be midpoint of CD. Nine plus 8 and minus 7 plus 5/2 equal to 17/2 and minus 1. So coordinates of G will be 17/2 minus 1. Similarly, coordinates of H midpoint of AD will be minus 4 plus 9/2 and minus 7 plus 2/2 equal to 5/2 minus 5/4. So coordinates of H will be 5/2 and minus 5/2. Now just find the slope of each line segments EF, FG, GH and FE. Now slope of EF line segment EF equal to y2 minus y1, that is 11/2 minus 4 from x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means plus 1. Equal to 11 minus 8/2 over 6. 3/2 over 6 equal to 1/4. That slope of EF will be 1/4. Slope of this line will be 1/4 8g will be slope of 8g. Slope of line segment hg. This line -1 minus, it is here minus, so it will be plus 5 upon 2 x2 is 17 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. This is equal to -2 plus 5 divided by 17 minus 5 upon 2 equal to 3 upon 2 divided by 12 upon 2. This is equal to 1 upon 4. So slope of line HG is also 1 upon 4. Now let us find slope of FG. Slope of FG. -1 minus 11 upon 2 divided by x2 is 17 upon 2 minus 5 equal to -2 minus 11 upon 2 divided by 17 minus 10 upon 2. So equal to minus 13 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 2. So equal to minus, this we cancel out, it will be 13 upon 7 minus 13. So slope of this line segment is minus 13 upon 7. Now let us find slope of EH. Slope of EH. Minus 5 upon 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 5 upon 2 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 5 upon 2 minus 1 means plus 1 equal to minus 5 minus 8 upon 2 divided by 3 plus 2 upon 2 equal to minus 13 upon 2 7.2 is equal to, this is cancel, so 13.7 minus 13.7. Slope of EAP also minus 13.7. Thus we see that slope of EF is equal to slope of FG, which is equal to 1.4. This implies that EF is parallel to HG. Again, slope of FG is equal to slope of EH. This implies that FG is parallel to EH. Hence, EFGH is a parallelogram. Hence, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides of this quadrilateral joining the midpoints of the sides are parallel, so this is a parallelogram. Now let us solve the next problem. Next problem is using slopes so that the points A, B, C and D taken in order are the vertices of a rectangle. Here coordinates of A, B, C and D are A, B, C and D. Coordinates of A are -4, -1. Coordinates of B are -2, -4. And coordinates of C are 4, 0, and coordinates of D are 2, 3. Now using slopes of the sides to prove that it's a rectangle. Now slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so equal to minus 4 minus y1 is 1 minus y plus 1 upon minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. And slope of DC equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to zero minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So here we find the slope of AB is equal to slope of DC. This implies that AB is parallel to DC. Next, find the slope of BC. Slope of AC is minus 3 upon 2. Now slope of BC. The slope is minus 3 upon 2. Here also minus 3 upon 2. Slope is slope of BC will equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to here y2 is y is 0 minus 4 is plus 4 upon 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Okay. 4 upon 6. Okay. 2 upon 3. Slope of AD. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to here y2 AD is 3 minus minus 1 is plus 1, like that. 2 minus 4 is plus 4. This is 0.6 equal to 2.3. So slope of BC is also 2.3 and slope of AD also 2.3. Hence BC will be parallel to AD. Since slope of BC is equal to slope of AD, this implies that BC is parallel to AD. Slope of AB multiplied by slope of BC. Now, slope of AB multiplied by slope of BC equal to slope of AB is minus 3/2 and slope of BC is 2/3. So it is equal to minus 1. This implies that BC is perpendicular to AB. So that angle ABC, okay, 90 degree. Here also minus 3/2 and 2/3. Here also slope is, product of the slopes is minus 1. So this is also perpendicular to AB. Hence so here we find that here we find that AB is parallel to BC and BC is parallel to AD and C equal to AD. This implies that ABCD is a rectangle. And AD will be also perpendicular to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Now let us solve the last problem. Using slope, find the value of x for which the points A, B and C are collinear. Now 3 points A, B and C are collinear if slope of AB is equal to slope of BC and CB is common in both. So ABC will be collinear. Here AB, coordinates of A are 5, 1, coordinates of B are 1, -1 and once again BC. BC. Coordinates here X and 4. And slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to -1 upon 1 minus 5 equal to -2 upon -4 equal to 1 upon 2. And slope of BC equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to -1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 5 upon x minus 1. So for ABC to be collinear, these two slopes should be equal. The slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, we have slope of AB is 1 upon 2 and slope of BC is 5 upon x minus 1. This implies that x minus 1 will be equal to 5 into 2. This implies that x minus 1 equal to 10. This implies that value of x will be 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Value of x is 11. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.